जो है बहुत महान हस्तियां यहाँ मौजूद हैं। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुशकिस्मती है। वी आर सो लकी फॉर इट दैट वी आर just get a chance to meet such a great personality. But now I require your attention, क्योंकि अब मैं जो बुलाना चाहता हूँ, because I'm going to call a very great and dignified personality for welcoming of his presence. I'm unable to take the names of him, but it's my duty as an anchor, so therefore I want to call Mr. Mohammad Noman, who is successful chartered accountant and he is the founder, member and manager of Appius. So please welcome this great personality with a thunderclap. और इन्हीं के साथ मैं वेलकम करने के लिए हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के डायरेक्टर, मैनेजर, टीचर, हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट की जान हर उनको मिस्टर सिराज अहमद सिद्दीकी साहब को बुलाना चाहूँगा. सो प्लीज वेलकम फॉर दिस ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी विद अ बिग हैंड.
Allah, the most merciful dispenser of grace, respected juries, Director Future Groups, Mr. Siraj Siddiqui, and dear my friends, it is a great opportunity, and I would like to thank organizers for giving me this opportunity to address you all. And especially I would like to thank all the students who were on the stage and they were showing their performances, and it was a great, and I would like to thank you all for listening their speeches. In very short time, I would like only mention 2 or 3 points. We were talking about humanities and how and it is important for the society. I will give a very simple 2 examples which I saw in the recent years. Once you have learned the name of Mr. Sheikh Ansar Ahmad, who is the IS topper of the youngest IS, and last year he cleared his IS examination, and he was not in a position to carry out his studies, and for that some of his teacher sent him to a Hindu uh, teachers for help. He given the help. He given the help by money, and it was a small amount, not big amount. It was a small amount, and by his help, he was able to clear his final examination, and he became the youngest IS of the country. Next example, I want to give you in Azamgarh. Actually I was not remembering the name, and Zamir Bhai told me. Islal Saab, he was an English teacher, and last year, last 2 year back, I met a commissioner of income tax, Mr. D.N. Mishra. He told me that you know the name of Islal Saab. Yeah, I know the name of Islal Saab. Why you are asking that name? Just because of his help, I became the IS. Now I am the commissioner of income tax. How he helped? He was a good teacher, and I was fail in English. He called me and told me that come to my house, I will help you. And after that help, he also qualified his IS examination. So मैं ये सिर्फ सिंपल सी बात कहना चाहता हूँ, टू हेल्प अदर्स, हाउ इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड हाउ इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द ह्यूमैनिटी. आप जिस तरह से भी किसी की मदद कर सके, छोटी मदद बड़ी मदद जो भी कर सके, उसकी वजह से सोसाइटी का बहुत ही बड़ा बेनिफिट होता है. एक छोटी सी मदद की वजह से वो लड़का एक गरीब का था. ही वॉज अ सन ऑफ रिक्शा पुलर. उसके फादर एक रिक्शा चलाते थे, इस पोजीशन में नहीं थे कि वो बच्चे को पढ़ा सकें, और उसी सोसाइटी में उस बच्चे ने अपना नाम छुपा के हिंदू नाम रखा था, इसलिए कि उसको डर था कि मुझको कमरा नहीं मिलेगा, मुझको परेशान किया जाएगा. लेकिन उसी सोसाइटी में किसी के पास गया, वो भी एक नॉन मुस्लिम ही था, उसने मदद किया, उसकी वजह से वो आईएएस बन गया. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि उस चीज़ को हमको ख़त्म करना है इस सोसाइटी से, निगेटिव पॉइंट्स को ख़त्म करना है, पॉजिटिव को सोचना है, और हमको हर जो मुमकिन मदद हो सके हमको करना है। और once again I would like to thank organizers for such a great function. Thank you.